How the law of attraction works. Understanding how the law of attraction works is essential for you to be successful with it. The best way to understand how the law of attraction works is to think about the concept of like attracts like. As human beings, we all emit energy into the world. This energy will either be at a low level or a high level. If we are continually emitting low levels of energy to the universe, then we will get things related to these low energy levels back. Conversely, high energy levels attract things related to these high levels. It's all about vibrations. The law of attraction is a universal law that is best understood by first considering the law of vibration. You need to know and believe that everything in our universe is vibrating on a continual basis. From the smallest grain of sand to the largest planet, it is all vibrating all of the time. Our brains have evolved to block this out so that we can observe a calm, still world. The truth is that we would find it very difficult to handle everything vibrating around us. So, the feelings of these vibrations and the sight and sounds have been blocked out. But the objects are still vibrating. Scientists have confirmed that colors are nothing more than vibrations at a specific frequency. You conceive your reality inside your head, and a conversion process has been undertaken so that life is easy for you. The law of vibration is real, and the next step is to comprehend that when two things use a similar vibration frequency, they are attracted to each other. You are sending out vibrations with your mind at different frequencies to the universe all of the time. Like attracts like, and your thoughts are what control your destiny. If you send out the right vibrations at the right frequency, then you will attract what you desire. You have to be in tune with the universe in order for it to manifest what you want. So the bottom line is, every positive and negative thing that has ever happened in your life was attracted by your vibrations. You are and have what you focus on. Your mind controls your destiny. So, if your thoughts are negative, your life will be negative. To make more sense of this, consider the following human emotions that send positive vibrations to the universe. Being joyful, being passionate, being excited, having an abundant mindset, being proud, being self-confident, showing affection to others. When you experience these emotions, your vibrations will have a higher energy and will be positive. Now let's take a look at those emotions that send out negative vibrations to the universe. Feeling disappointment, living a life of solitude, thinking that you are lacking things in your life, being sad, being tense, a disorganized mind, being angry, feeling pain. The point here is that if you are feeling pain all of the time, pain about your life rather than physical pain, then the universe will bring you more pain because it believes that is what you want. If you experience a lot of passion in your life, then the universe will send you more things to be passionate about. So where does all this get you? Well, in order to make the law of attraction work for you, you need to change the way that your mind works. If you are someone that is constantly complaining about everything, then you need to stop doing this or you will continue to receive more things to complain about. Tune your mind to change your destiny. The law of attraction works, but it is not about hope. It is about communicating with the universe in the right way and having belief that the law will work for you. Your connection with the universe is very important, and the more tuned your mind is, the greater the connection you will make. Think of the law of attraction as the law of thinking. Thinking in the right way is the secret to the law of attraction and the secret to success for you. In this training, you will learn how to apply the law of attraction step by step so you can be truly manifesting abundance in your life. Your brain is all-powerful, and whatever direction your mind wants you to travel in is the path that you will take. Everything that you have or don't have in your life right now is a result of your thoughts and your mind. So you need to tune your mind into what you want and let the law of attraction help you get it. Sending out high levels of energy and positive vibrations to the universe on a consistent basis is what it is all about. But you cannot achieve this just by sitting and hoping. Hoping is useless. You need to be totally clear about what you want and truly believe that you are going to get it. Subjective thinking. In order to get the most out of the law of attraction, you need to switch to subjective thinking rather than objective thinking. Well, what's the difference? Well, with objective thinking, you believe something is real only if you can see it, hear it, touch it, smell it, etc. With subjective thinking, we believe something is real first before we see it. So, for example, you believe that you are going to get the promotion before you get it, and then it happens. Subjective thinking is like dreaming. You will need to practice making the transition to subjective thinking because it is critical for the law of attraction to work for you. You need to understand that your perception of what is real in life is a manifestation of your thoughts. This does not mean that things around you are not real, but they are present in our consciousness. We are able to change things in our dreams, and when we apply the law of attraction correctly, we can change our reality as well. In the next video, we will explain about the default process and why you must overcome it to truly make the law of attraction work for you.